Hello everyone, welcome to Mathsfocus. We want to simplify this nice math problem without using calculator. Solution: 9 divided by 4 to the power of 9 divided by 4 is equal to what? Let's see. 9 divided by 4 to the power of 9 divided by 4. 9 can be written as 3 square over 4 can be written as 2 square to the power of 9 over 4. 3 over 2, because of the same power, all raised to power 2 to the power of 9 over 4. Take note of this exponential rule that if you have a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power nm. Three over 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9 over 4. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2, equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 9 over 2. But 9 over 2 can be written as 4 plus 5 over 2. Then this is equal to 4 over 2 plus 5 over 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. This is equal to 2 plus 5 over 2. This is equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 2 plus 5 over 2. Also, take note of this exponential rule that if you have a raised to power n plus m, this is equal to a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2 equal to 3 over 2 square. This is 3 square over 2 square multiplied by this can be written as square root of 3 over 2 to the power of 5. That is, if you have a raised to power 1 over 2, this is equal to square root of a. Then s raised to power 3 over 2, this is equal to square root of s raised to power 3. Equal to 3 square, 9 over 2 square, 4, multiplied by this can be written as square root of 3 raised to power 5 divided by square root of 2 raised to power 5. Note that 3 raised to power 5 can be written as 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power 1. This is equal to 3 raised to power 4 plus 1. This is equal to 3 raised to power 5. Also, 2 raised to power 5 can be written as 2 raised to power 4 plus 1. This is equal to 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. Equal to 9 over 4 multiplied by square root of 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 over square root of 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 equal to 9 over 4 multiplied by square root of 3 raised to power 4 is 3 square root of 3 over square root of 2 raised to power 4 is 2 square root 2. 9 over 4 multiplied by 3 square is 9 over 2 square, 4. Here is root 3 and here is root 2 equal to 9 multiplied by 9 root 3 over 4 multiplied by 4 root 2. This is equal to 9 times 9, 81 root 3 over 4 times 4, 16 root 2. So this is equal to 81 root 3 over 16 root 2. Here is multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 2. So this is equal to 81 root 3 times root 2, root 6 over 16 root 2 times root 2, that is root 4. Then this is equal to 81 root 6 over 16 multiplied by square root of 4 is 2. So this is equal to 81 root 6 over 16 times 2, 32. And this is the final answer. If you enjoy my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.